Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are staying healthy and safe. There is still lockdown going on in Germany till March 7th. Hopefully it gets normal after that. Today I am going to share my winter experience here in Germany. First challenge for me during winter days here was sunlight. So usually 15 to 20 days we have not seen sun here in Germany. So that was a little difficult thing for me in the beginning, coming from a place like Bangalore where we have such a pleasant weather and most of the times it is sunny. It was very difficult in the beginning to adjust without sun. Whenever we see sun during winter, we usually go out and spend most of the time in the sun. And today is a very nice sunny day. Winter days are from November till March, and we usually get snowfall from December to February. There will be no particular rainy season here. In India, we usually have like from June to August we have rainy season, but here it usually rains throughout the winter days. Days are very shorter during winter days. Usually sun rises around 8:30 in the morning and sun sets around 4 o'clock to 4:30 in the evening. Sometimes it happens that you start your work and you complete your work and it's already dark. For me, snow is a new experience and I like winter days with snow because it kind of brightens up the day and it's all so white and so bright today. Usually Germany gets the snowfall, but this year because of snowstorm, 2 weeks have been very hard and we have lot of snow everywhere and temperature is in negative now. It's almost -9, -12 degrees and people usually enjoy snow with different fun activities like sledding, going for skiing, and there are so many ski resorts in Germany where we can go and enjoy these fun activities. One more thing that I found out here was before winter starts, you have to change the tires of your car. Usually, because of snow, roads become very slippery and it will be difficult to drive. So, according to the rules, you have to change the tires before winter starts. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.